Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio. Obviously, we about to go ahead and talk about Supreme Burberry a little bit more. I'm not gonna cover it OD because yesterday I did talk about it, but they did release what the rest of the drop list is gonna be. I want to go ahead and talk about that. We still don't have retails, but there's a little bit of a prediction of what the retails are gonna look like. We'll go over that shit. Leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. And with all that being said, let's get straight to it. So we obviously have all the Burberry shit right here. We did cover it yesterday, so I'm not really going to talk about my opinions on it. If you want to see that, the video will be up here. But the hoodie and the tees are hard. Honestly, the retail for the hoodie is supposed to be around $218 and retail for the tee is like $54, which is honestly not that bad. That's kind of what Supreme does when they collab with these t-shirts, especially for the box logo tees, so that's a good thing. I'm about to go for both of them bitches in black or that gray color for the hoodie. Pink one isn't bad. That would be like a last resort type shit. The skate deck is supposed to be around $68, regular Supreme skate deck shit. If I could pick up that tan color, that would be hard. There's the glass spray bottle, which, hey, if you out there cutting hair, you feel me, you know this shit is necessary. I'ma honestly try to go for this, but I would love to have it in my collection. I really do regret not going for the clippers back in the day. Retail for the glass spray bottle is supposed to be around $58. Low key, it is glass, so you feel me, it's not that bad. Glass spray bottle is a must. We do got the jacket, which in the blue is nasty. That shit in blue is beautiful in my opinion. Let me know if I'm tripping. I think that shit is hard. The collar one's supposed to be like $400, so that shit gonna be kind of steep, but it is a whole collar jacket, so that's not that bad at the same time. Denim jacket is rumored to be around $300, which is a little bit steep, yes, but it is a Burberry Supreme denim jacket and I feel like it would stand the test of times. I truly believe that, especially in that denim blue color. Beautiful, bruh. So there's some more Burberry pieces. Like I said before, we kind of spoke about it. Y'all know my opinions on it. Out of all this shit, I mainly just like all the black leather satin looking ass pieces. So this shit that's behind me, that one, and this trench coat in black is beautiful. Let me know what y'all think about that trench coat. Honestly, I feel like that's gonna be one of those hidden gem pieces from this collection, especially down the line. And that black jacket, let's not even talk about it, that should go hard. But yeah, you got this Old English glow short sleeve, comes in 5 different colors. The black one is the only one I'd really rock out of all of these shits. I was trying to like the pink, but it's just not doing it for me, so I'm gonna say that the black one is the better colorway out of all of these shits. Too much colors going on and I probably wouldn't even buy that shit. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. There's this angel hooded sweatshirt which has the little angel in the middle of it, comes in 5 colors, and that sandish brown like olive color is beautiful. I wonder what color the logo is gonna be on it. I don't know about the logo, but the color of that hoodie in general is just clean. That's like a earth tone, everyday Carhartt go to work looking ass color on a hoodie. Let me know what y'all think about that. Would I buy it? Probably not gonna lie to y'all. If that color was on a better design, I'd probably get it. This is gonna be a Burberry exclusive, so yeah, if y'all trying to spend that bread on this shit, Burberry.com for that. We got the God's Children beanie. This one basically says all God's children are supreme. Kinda hard, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is cool. I like the way that it almost looks like they literally took a marker and wrote it on the beanie. This beanie might have to come home with me, bro. If that white one was cream, that's a recipe for disaster, bro. Like I would have had to pick that shit up. I think I'll be alright. That blue one looks clean. The black one, honestly, all these other colors besides the white, if that shit was cream, it would have been the best color, low-key. The crushed velvet cam cap shit is dookie, bro. Like straight dookaloo. Definitely not going for that shit. We got 2 more pieces. It's the ATV 6-panel. I'm sleeping on that one. I don't need it, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have like 50 hats probably, and I definitely don't need this one right here. Not gonna spend anything on this shit right here. We do got the sport zip up, which comes in 3 colors. Honestly, I need a zip up in my hoodie collection. I do not have no zip ups, and I'm trying to get into that side of things. I would prefer one with no branding though, like just an all gray one, all black one. I think it might have to be like a Rick Owen type situation, so I'll figure that out in the future. If I do end up picking up some shit, y'all will see it on the channel. But yeah, that's pretty much all the items they added. I didn't expect them to add some heat. That's why I wasn't really too pressed to make this video, not gonna lie to y'all, because I already spoke about the Burberry shit. I feel like resale especially is gonna be there in the future. I don't know, y'all people saying that box logos is dead. I understand what y'all are saying. For now, these shits might not sell for too much, but in the future for sure these shits are gonna go up simply because it is Burberry and Supreme. Y'all already saw what LV did with Supreme. I know it's not that caliber, but at the same time, it's still a luxury brand and a lot of people are gonna go for this shit come Thursday. So best of luck. Let's scroll through it one last time for the one time. You got the box logo hoodie, the skate deck, glass bottle, all 4 items at the top, solid, bro. Second one is still looking solid. This hat is hard, this is hard, this is kind of hard. This black one is fire for sure. Next one start getting a little misty, but this black jacket and this other black jacket, crazy. After that, you lost me, bro. Like the denim shorts, we don't need, I don't need those. You might need those, I definitely don't need them shits. We do got these silky pajamas, which are coming out only on Burberry. Those are clean, bro. I'm not gonna lie, the black one with the satin looking ass material, you about to get your whole shit on. Like, hey, that's a whole conversation that should not be on this video. The black silky, come on, bro. Imagine the black silky top with the silky bottom, bro. It's a whole different scene. Like, besides that, all these lookbook items are at the bottom for a reason. I feel like when they do collabs, they normally do throwaway items. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, some of these might be liked by some people, but for me, I feel like the majority of this shit is ass. My favorite piece out of the lookbook has to be this beanie right here. Shit is clean, and the glass bottle up there. That's it, bro. But let me know what y'all are going for this week. I feel like there's a lot of heat releasing. Supreme is on a roll, bro. The first 3 weeks have been solid, and I'm gonna try to go for something, bro. I'm gonna get some shit. I don't know what yet, but I'm gonna get something, and it's not gonna be a skate deck. I definitely need the BOGOs for sure. That's my priority this week. If not the glass bottle, I'd be cool with that. But yeah, let me know your 3 favorite items and what you're going for in the comments below. Leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see on the channel. I may or may not do a short on this as well. Hey, I'm trying to pump out different varieties of content to see what sticks, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.